it's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking. Today, I'm just making some muffins. I got this recipe from my friend Henry about 20 some odd years ago. It is the perfect muffin recipe. No matter where I bring these muffins, everybody absolutely loves them. And there's so many ways to customize them. Today I made them with blueberries and raspberries, but I have also done them as coffee cake muffins with a streusel topping. I have made them with banana, leftover banana. So many different combinations that you can make, and my husband's favorite is actually cranberry. They are delicious. Just a little sprinkling of sugar on top, bake at 400 degrees. They are a perfect snack or breakfast. And here's the recipe. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Bye for now.